Hello, how are you? Um, Today I'm going to present a very interesting thing. Okay, let's talk about it. I have five virtual machines running. As you can see here, mm, they are all here. All session right, so it should be clear when I'm good. The screen is not right. So, okay, now let me show you. This should be recording. What happened? Thing is not going here, right? From IP 50.20 thing towards 8.8, it is not working. And though I have two interface, one is one ENS 160 and another is ENS 224, right? ENS 224 has the internet access. And how I'm saying that because it is a bridge interface. If I show you here, this is my okay. My Wi-Fi LAN is 192.168.68 This is my laptop IP right now, right? And this is the 192.168.68.17. So this is on this interface is configured as this. If I show you more, if I show you from the virtual machine, okay, this is my VM. If I go towards here, setting here, so one is host only network and another one is base. So here host only network is 160 and base interface is 224. So how I know it? I know it from the interface IP configuration, like in the IP details. This 168.68 is the subnet is the base interface is and the 50.120 is host name. So if I go each and everywhere, right? If I go, you see 121, 50.121 and 68.23, okay? In all VM the configuration is same, but if I ping, let me check. So here it is not pinging, but here in this VM, LVM2 is pinging, is going to the internet, right? 122 is going, 123 is not going, 124 is not going. So I fixed the 122 later yesterday. So how I fixed it, I wanted to show you everyone, right? So what about the problem? So what do you think? Um, since this is let me show you the host NMCLI. This is CentOS Stream 9. You can compare it with the Raider 8, Raider 9, and Raider 8 as well. Also, Rocky Linux 8, Rocky Linux 9. Okay, configuration is the same. So from this 9, okay, now if sage is not there anymore. So if you go to sysconfig network speed ls, there is no if sage. If you go to the if you see the readme file here, okay, so it is not valid anymore. So it is showing the directory for network manager store under this, right? So if I go there, DC network manager, system connection, you will see the connector connectivity like ENS 130, ENS 224. So everything now you can configure from CLI as well, right? So it is very important you know the process how to configure it. So let it be. I'll talk about it later how to configure. But today's problem is not like that. So today's problem is what I saw here. This ping is working. The here this machine ping not working. Right? Why? We need to find out. So to find out that, if I type route minus n command, see here route minus n command. Okay. Um, this machine, if I go ping, it's not working. So what happened? See, there is UG metric, okay, for the default gateway. So interface -4A ENS 160, this 150 dot 192.160 at 50 series has its own gateway 50.1, and 192.168.17, this interface has its own gateway 60.1. Okay, but which gateway is like uh, but from this machine, which gateway is preferable? Like when the traffics are going out, from which gateway is taking? It is taking this 50.1 gateway. Why? Because this gateway metric is less than this gateway metric. That's why when traffic is taking, like traffic is going out from these machines, 0.0, all traffic is going, the first priority is this one, and second priority is this one. If this machines, this 50.1 machines is down, then traffic will go this way. But problem is this 50.1 is the host unlimited. But this, so it doesn't have the internet connectivity. So when I'm trying to ping and reach outside, it's not working. If I show you DNF ping all, okay. Then if I try to update DNF update people list, it will not work because it doesn't have internet connectivity. The internet is not downloading anything. Okay. So what should I do now, right? So if I now if I come here where the internet is working, it's going to the Google network. Okay. So what happens? See, this metric is 100 and this metric is 200. Okay, so first priority is 192.168.1. So this gateway matrix priority is high. So traffic will go this way only, and this way. So right now, so as this metric is lesser than this one, and it is this priority is high, so it is taking the so when when I am initiating ping 8.8.8, it is going to 192.168.1, then it is reaching the internet, right? Now we have to find a way to change this matrix, right? So there's a way, let me show you. So IP, if I check the NMCLI connection, show, this is two interface now. I have to make this interface connectivity metric lesser, right? So it's very easy, NMCLI connection, I have to modify it, okay? Modify. If you tap, see it will come, okay, minus 2 to 4. Now IPv4 dot. Now let's check whether we have any route metric here, right? Here I have route metric. Can you see? So I have to select route metric for this host. Okay. Let me route metrics. Okay, and let me assign the route metric for this CNS224 is 100. And let me assign okay. Now if I type the command route minus n, check. Now, oh sorry, uh, connection is up. I've changed it, but I did not change I didn't reload this connectivity, right? So there is a very easy way to reload it. Okay. So, uh, so this is the reload command. So what I have done here, if you see, NMCLI connection, I have down it and I have given and I have up make this up. So when I am giving this command, it will take automatically make it up. So when I'll down this, I'll go out from this interface, right? Because I have SSH, so I have to again log into this virtual machine. I have down this initial connection up command. So I make the scripts automatically. It will make down and up, and it will make the like configuration okay. Okay. So so let's check now. Hmm. So now check. Change right. Say 50.1 previously it was 100. Now it has 20. Now let's check. Previously the internet connectivity was not going out, right? So it will go 15.8.8.8.8. It will work. So got my point, right? So main thing of this main video or main agent of this video is how to change the route matrix gateway. And easily previously there is another way. If you remove this gateway from this interface, so that will also work. But keeping the two gateway in the same machines, you can change the uh, like metric value, and you can work on it. You can actually play with it. That is what I want to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.